Welcome to my channel. This is Flookiesden, and like you can tell, we just moved into our new home, and I'm taking you on a walkthrough of the home that we're moving out of before I take you on the new one. So take a look at how the space looks like, what a 3-bedroom house looks like. It's also in the east of Saskatchewan, and I'm going to also be showing you how we're settling and first days in the new home. Keep watching. So we come in from outside, and this is the staircase that brings you upstairs to the living room, very spacious living room, and an extension to the dining area. It's a very big space. And of course, the kitchen also now, the dining also now leads you to the kitchen. Very spacious. I love this place because it gives you that distinction or the separation between the sitting room and the kitchen, which you kind of don't find in the modern day buildings. This house is quite old, but it's still modern in the functionalities of the things that you find around. And this is also another entrance to the house towards the kitchen. So coming out of the kitchen, this is the cloak room whereby you can hang your jackets. Just a mini space that gives you enough room to do that. Then this is the main or the functional bathroom for this space. So it's a 1.5 bathroom. This is a bath. Let's take a look. So this has a sink, the shower, the toilets, of course, and this is just the full bathroom space. This is one room with the closets. Just decent for any human being to sleep and wake up. I forgot to show you this other closet that you can store things in. This is another beautiful space for storage. Come with me to the master's bedroom. So this is master's bedroom. Also very decently sized, enough to take stuff. We have the closet here. It's a closet enough to just give you what you want for storage. And of course, we have the bathroom. This is also the bathroom. So this is like the half of the bathroom. There's no shower here, but it's just a bathtub. It's just a sink and a toilet. And this is also very functional with cabinet spaces for storage. So let me show you the last bedroom in this space. One other sizable bedroom, good enough to have your kids stay in here. Also a sizable closet for whatever you want to use it for. This is just a functional 3-bedroom house for a family of 4, and it has a shared laundry room whereby the other person staying downstairs, both of you share the laundry, which is still convenient, unlike apartments whereby you have to wait for turns or this. So that's a reasonable shared laundry that I can even tolerate, rather than sharing with so many people. So this is all it is. Decent, and the price is not that bad. This is in the east of Saskatchewan, and you of course find such buildings like this in the east. Hi guys, welcome to our new home, and I want to take you on a tour of our new home. So like you can see, this is the entrance. You just came in with me, so you're welcome to Flookies home and Flookies aboard. On the right, this is the office space. So this is where I'm going to be working from. I'm also going to be filming some content for you from here. And because you also know that I also work partially from home, this is going to be the space that I'll be working out of. So come with me. This is the guest toilet, really nice, and still not yet decorated. Like I said, we're going to be showing you a bit of the decor when it's all done. This is the door to the garage. So I came in here and we've got a garage. This is exciting to me because we're in winter and this is a place that we could park our cars. So we're excited about this. This is the cloakroom. You can put your clothes here. This area is actually called the mud room, and you can put all your dirty, muddy stuff here. Get all dirty and you'll be fine. So this is the mud room, the cloak compartment, and I'm still going to put some things here. Let's go to the pantry. So this is the pantry. I love this space because there's a lot of space for you to just shelve things away. Even behind the door, you can see there's a lot of space, and I'm so excited. And the pantry gives you a walkthrough from point A to point B into the living space, kitchen, and dining. So this is really exciting. I love the white look of this place. It is white. And for me to mention is that I also was involved in some of the items. Like, you know, I have said I love white light, and daylight gives a very good effect on the things that you do. Gives brightness, gives light into a space. So we had to change all the light points, all the bulbs, spotlight to white light. That's daylight, and you can see how bright it is. Where we were before, rented, was kind of dark, and because of the lighting that I also have, it didn't give me as much light effect that I required, and that's why I had those external lightings that I used to vlog. So I love my dining lights. This was also one pick for me. This is really nice. I love my countertop lightings as well. This is also really nice. And this is a black, gray, and white theme with appliances. So this is the dining, living room, and kitchen. So let's cook. Let me bring you to my island top. So we also make changes with our sink, and I love this. This gives really good space to wash, to do things, and this is really nice. I love this. And of course we have a dishwasher. This is our stove. It's a 5-burner stove, and I'm so happy that this can give us enough. Of course we have the hood. The microwave is also silver gray. It needs to be washed. And the fridge. So this is also something that is really cool. I love this, and it has a bottom freezer. So it's just to store things in. This goes to the basement. It's still yet uncompleted, but in progress. We also have another cloth compartment here. Enough space, guys, and because you know that I love space, this is also where to hang your coats. So we have enough space for that, and you can see the space for the kitchen cabinets as well. It's so much. So let's go upstairs. Welcome to our sitting room upstairs. So this is going to be a lounge for the sitting room, for us to relax. Nothing fancy, but just cozy for everyone to enjoy. Let's go to the master's bedroom. Master's bedroom. We have the closet, the walk-in closet here. We need enough space to hang our clothes, so I had to ask for more space to be able to put clothes, hang, and stuff. So this is the walk-in closet. This is also our bathroom, and I love this. Now I can soak. This is nice. And we also have the shower. The toilet is here, and of course we have the double sink and really nice space to store things away. And it's a bundle. Okay. Laundry room, washer dryer, and some storage area. This is one room with the closet. Let's go to the last bedroom upstairs. This is another bedroom, and it has a walk-in closet for storage. So this is exciting, guys. Thank you for going around the house with me. So we're going to be moving in shortly, and we will be putting things in the right places. Thank you so much. This is just a walkthrough of our home. We will be, on my next video, I'll be showing you how we were able to decorate this space, make it a home for us. See you later. Bye, guys. Hey guys, this is day one of moving in. And short of to say that it's been tiring. It's been tiring. It's still morning and everybody is still sleeping. It's a tiring day for every one of us, trying to move things around, trying to put things in order. And of course, sometimes for some other things we try to arrange before, arrange to be able to make it comfortable for us, to find things. Apart from major clothes that we have pending, almost everything is sorted out. Okay, maybe for some frames, but I try to also put some decor in place. Just me now, guys. I'm tired. This day one, I couldn't show you guys the entire journey of us moving because it was so much stress. People showed up for us. It was so exciting that we had people that came up to also help us move. We're really grateful to them because people showed up and they helped us to set some things in place. The same day our blinds were set up initially, but this is still not completed yet. That's the blind. I still want fabric on it, so that's still going to come because we need to know here we don't just drill or put things on the wall, or we need to know where we can drill so that we get the right place. And obviously because we don't want a hole that will enable the cold air to come in, like just giving way to penetration from it. It's very important. We've been told, so we need to get that particular hole that gives us the right place to drill. So that's still pending. Other things are still ongoing. I'll still take you guys on a tour of the house after we've decorated it. I'm sure you've seen what it was like before we moved in. At the entire tour, but it's looking really kind of cozy and homey. No dining set yet, but we have our chairs going to be delivered. Our bed got delivered, or mattress, so we are still waiting for the bed frame and so many things. But of course upstairs the den is still a disaster because that's like the dumping ground for most of the things that we have. And we still have things to put in the right places. But let me just show you a sneak peek of some things. Sha, sha, sha. Let me just show you. Sha, sha, sha. This is sitting area we set up. In fact, our major things really was put together yesterday. The TV was set up. So this is we don't have a center table that's still again in my house. My people didn't want anything, but we'll save that for another day. These are picture frames that still have to, so some have to go up. In fact, I broke one yesterday when I was trying to sort some things out, and because I won't give up. Okay, then my console area. I really like the stairs. It's like, oops, still trying to understand the light. But this is console. These are boxes of decorative items. I still have something coming on that wall. I already have it planned out. So those will be coming up. I have this is my console area. This is a humidifier, and you can put your essential oil inside with water, and it also gives you that cool effect of lighting that you can beam. So this is the kitchen. I have to change my sink to this type because I love this one because it gives me room to do so many things together all in one. The divided option wouldn't work, so I didn't want that. Okay, anyway, this is just a sneak peek. Home in the background, looking cozy. Guys, how do you feel me vlogging with this background? I know, right? This morning, I need to get dressed for some other major things. I'll show you around later when I'm back and got dressed up or glammed up for a vlog. So catch you guys soon.